Today we are going to deal with guarantee of minimum profit to a partner. Sometimes a partner is admitted into the firm with a guarantee of certain minimum amount by way of his share of profits of the firm. That means a partner is trying to join the firm only some put in condition, that is he wants a minimum guarantee of profit. In such a condition, the old partners give an assurance to the new partner that yes, they would be ready to give them the guaranteed minimum profit. So that is the meaning of guarantee of profit to a partner. What happens in guarantee of profit to a partner when all the partners are ready to give their share of profits to the partner who is demanding a minimum guarantee of profit? So whenever the firm makes a profit and when they distribute the profit among the partners, and the partner who actually demanded a guaranteed profit, his actual profit is falling short of the guaranteed profit, then there is a deficiency of profit. In such a case, this deficiency is borne by all the remaining partners in some agreed ratio or in their profit sharing ratio. The journal entry would be the one who is giving the guarantee or giving away the deficiency is to be debited, and the one who is getting the profit or the minimum guarantee or the deficiency amount should be credited. I'm showing an example over here. This is a firm with three partners ABC. And suppose in this question, C is demanding a minimum profit of 37,500. That means he demands from the partners that he want a minimum guaranteed profit of 37,500, which the other partners are ready to bear. Suppose the firm is having a profit of 1,57,500, and if we divide this 1,57,500 to A, B and C, if you see on the left side, on the debit side, A is getting 90,000, B is getting 45,000 and C is getting 22,500. That means C is actually falling short of 15,000 to make up his guaranteed amount. This 15,000 will be actually borne by the remaining partners in some agreed ratio. So A might be ready to give 10,000 from his profit share and B might be ready to give his 5,000 from his profit share, and it will reduce A and B's capital by the respective amounts and it will increase the C's capital by the respective amount. So this is how we have to cover up the deficiency of C's capital. This was a case when the firm earned a profit. Imagine the firm had suffered a loss of the same amount. The losses should be written on the debit side. The same losses have been distributed to A on the right hand side. B also got 45,000 and C also got the share of loss as 22,500. But C is been guaranteed a profit. He does not want to suffer a loss. So what should the firm do? In such a case, if you see what I should do, what amount I should add to that loss of C so that he could get 37,500. That means A and B has to sacrifice some deficiency, they have to give it to C. So A and B is already having a loss, they have to bear more loss to cover up the profit for the C partner. So each one of the partner is adding to the deficiency over here 40,000 and 20,000. Here we are talking about loss. That's why we are adding up the deficiency. When it comes to profit, we can directly deduct it. But when it comes to loss, we have to add up the deficiency and give it to the partner C. So if you add 22,500 plus 60,000, you will get, that means 22,500 is a loss in brackets, and if you add it to 60,000, you will get 37,500. That was the minimum guaranteed profit to C. Take an example over here. There are three partners and there is a partner Rashi who wants a minimum profit of 50,000. Abhi, Bimal and Rashi also were to get some commission. Interest on capital is also there. This is a question very important. Why? Because the firm has suffered a loss of 1,50,000. This question demands your attention in the sense that in this case, you are not going to provide any interest on capital because in absence of, in the case of loss, you do not distribute it. Now we have to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. Now prepare the profit and loss appropriation account and the net loss is coming to 1,50,000. And if you give it to Rashi, if you give to Abhi, Bimal, just I gave you the share of the loss 60,000, 60,000 in some respective ratios which was given in the question. And coming to Rashi, Rashi said that she want a minimum profit of 50,000. She does not want to suffer the loss. She already suffering a loss of 30,000, but what I should add to her loss that will give her 50,000 profit. So each one partner on the right hand side have to add up to the losses by 60 and 20 so that they could give the 80,000 to Rashi to cover up her loss also and to give a minimum profit of 50,000. This is how the treatment works when in case the firm has suffered a loss.